Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, my junior friends, brothers and sisters and diecast collectors. Guys, I am back with my Hot Wheels showcase. Here is our pack for today review and unboxing. Dear friends, this pretty pack is HW Hot Trucks from the previous year. A pack of 5 beautiful trucks. Here is a side view and the back side of the pack. The factory sealed bag ready. Our cool trucks are ready for review and unboxing on the showtime. Dear friends, our cool truck Volkswagen Caddy is here, the first one from the pack. A nice little lovely truck with some cool finishings, lovely paint job, white paint is looking awesome, with these black and orange tempos on the both sides. Nice details on the cargo space, orange windows and chromy interior. Cool details. There is a topper view. Nice finishing of the cargo space and the chromy interior. I'm not a big fan of these orange windows, but the casting is super cute. You guys can check. Nice details on the front side. And these are the FT wheels. The Volkswagen logo on the rear is looking cool with the exhaust pipes. And the below side, the grey base. Dear friends, now time for number 2. This pretty truck is a custom Ford 56 in the blue color and 5-spoke wheels, looking awesome with this flame job. Nice details on the front bumper, finishing of the hood, roof and cargo space. Everything is pretty cool with these smoke tinted windows. Here is a topper view, friends. Pretty cool finishing of the cargo space, the gas tank, the chromy interior, nice finishing of the doors with the quick lube logo. Flame job is looking awesome on the doors and fenders. Here is the below side, the grey base, the rear side and the front side. Pretty cool. Nice details on the front bumper. A perfect beauty from the back. This is my most favorite from the back. And now time for our number 3, friends. Dear friends, here is our big guy from the back, the Sandblaster in lovely paint scheme and cool finishing. You guys can check. Multicolor tempos are looking cool on the silver paint, black interior and the yellow windows. Nice finishing of the rear and front ends. You guys can check. Everything is looking cool. Here is a topper view. Nice finishing of the rear side, roof and hood. Here's the front view. The side job and the tempos are looking cool. Dear friends, these are the Bedlock off-road wheels with the red chrome job. Everything is looking cool in this baby. Guys, here is our number 4 from the pack. This pretty truck is a 67 Chevy C10 with the lovely color scheme and cool tempos on the both sides. You guys can check. The wheels are pretty cool. Nice details on the front bumper The chromium interior, cool finishing of the doors. Here's a closer view, nice finishing of the cargo space with a toolbox. Chromium interior, the clear windows, nice tempos on the both sides. You guys can check the paint scheme and the tempos are looking a nice combination. Dear friends, these are MC5 wheels. Here is our below side. The grey base is looking cool for this baby. Dear friends, now the last one. This pretty truck is a Chevy Silverado, and the lime green color is looking awesome with the black and white tempos on the both sides. The cool wheels with the white job on the rims. These pretty wheels are open hole 5-spoke wheels. Nice finishing of the doors, cargo space, rear windows, everything is looking cool. Here's the top roof, friends. Nice finishing of the hood, roof. Here's the front side. And the black base. Nice selection of the wheels, cool tempos with black and white. The rear side. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching. Please comment below which one is your most favorite from the pack. Have a great week, guys. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.